San Francisco, day number 4.
Going to Golden Gate.
Golden Gate Park, baby.
And Haight-Ashbury.
So then we had to take a municipal bus. Yeah.
We took a bus through the Presidio, and now we're in Golden Gate Park.
We visited the Japanese tea garden. We counted fish.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
I listen to the wind of my soul. Where I'll end up, well, I think only God really knows. I've sat upon the setting sun, but never, 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 I never wanted water once.
So then we walked up Haight Street so that we could go have lunch at Cha Cha Cha.
Casey Jones, you better watch your speed. Trouble ahead, trouble behind.
We got funky on Haight-Ashbury. Woo! Ew, yeah! Ooh.
Look at me.
This old engine makes it on time. Leave Central Station about 8:45.
Where are we?
We're at the site of the 1915 Panama Pacific International Exposition, or the World Fair, which we're naturally attracted to.
Dad, that was nice.
So we went to the San Francisco Exploratorium.
Finally, at the end of a good day, it wouldn't be San Francisco if it wasn't a trek down a very long, steep hill with the boys running in front.